A uniform rod of mass 2 kg and length 1 meter is pivoted at one end. There is a body, say L equals to 1 meter, and it is pivoted at one end. Pivoted it in point. That means it is a fixed point. Practically, pivoted means a fixed point, fixed. So, it is released from the horizontal position. So, if we it, what we'll get? There will be a rotation from this axis, and now this fixed point behaves like a axis. Now, after releasing the body, the uniform rod will reach at this point, the end point. I mean, this point will here. Okay, that's good. Find its angular velocity. So, how we'll calculate? Look, there is very basic that when the body is raised, there is no rotation or translation, but it has some energy. What will be the energy? The energy is only potential energy. So potential energy, we have to calculate when it is in potential energy. Potential energy will be converted into some rotational energy. Rotational energy. Okay. Say for this point, in this point, this is an arbitrary point, and in this point, both are there. Some rotation and some potential. Okay. But in this point, there is no potential, only rotation. That's good. Now, what will be the potential? So, potential energy act due to T. So, what will be the potential energy? Really, the potential energy will act on the body, on the mass, and the mass is centered at some point. We say this is the G point or center of gravity point. Center of gravity. So, the center of gravity shift from here. Say, so if this L equals this is in half meter, the half meter for symmetry, we can say this that from fixed point, the distance between fixed point and the G is half. So this is another point that is half also. This height is half. So the potential energy will be mg, and the h will be half. Okay, and the rotational energy is now half I omega square. That's okay. Quite good. And we have to put the values. So I equals to 1 by 3 m into L square. So m is given 2 kilograms. So 1 by 3 and L is 1. That is 2 by 3. That's good. And m is given here also 2. So m is 2 into 10 into half equals to half. I is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 and omega square. So there is some 2 and 2 and this 2. So there is 30 equals to omega square, and omega equals to for 30. Okay, for 30, and radian per second is our answer.